Learn HTML and CSS online tutorial app. The pros, the cons. The Learn HTML and CSS online tutorial app is designed to help beginners start building websites from scratch. Most people get this wrong by thinking they need expensive courses or years of experience to code. But here's the surprising truth: with the right app, you can learn the fundamentals in just a few weeks. A major pro is its step-by-step approach. The app breaks down HTML and CSS concepts into manageable lessons, starting from basic tags and styles, then moving into layouts, forms, and responsive design. For example, you learn how to structure a web page with headings, paragraphs, and images, and then style it with colors, fonts, and flexbox layouts. This method makes learning progressive and practical. Another advantage is interactive coding exercises. You won't believe how much faster you retain knowledge when you're typing code and seeing instant results. The app often provides live previews of your work, so you can immediately spot errors and correct them, making the learning experience hands-on. The app also includes quizzes and challenges that reinforce learning and help you track progress. Some even simulate real-world scenarios like building a portfolio page or a simple blog. This prepares you for freelance work or job interviews in web development. On the downside, some users might find the free version limited, with certain advanced modules or project examples behind a paywall. Additionally, while the app teaches coding logic and syntax, it can't replace practice on real projects, so you'll need to apply your skills outside the app to gain full proficiency. In conclusion, the Learn HTML and CSS online tutorial app is an excellent starting point for anyone looking to get into web development. By combining structured lessons, interactive exercises, and real-world projects, it makes learning coding accessible, engaging, and effective. Whether you're a complete beginner or brushing up on fundamentals, this app is a smart first step toward creating professional websites.